In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can make a content calendar in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Now, once you're inside the main dashboard, there are two things that you can do. First is to make a content calendar from scratch, but I will teach you an easier way, and that is by using the templates right here on ClickUp. To do that, simply go to the top left right here on Create, and then click on Templates. From here, search Content Calendar or Content Management, something like that. So you can choose some of the templates ClickUp has provided. So choose one. You can see the description right here. So I'm going to use this. Then folder name, set it. Then on which folder should it be created? Choose one. Then you can choose whether to import everything or customize import items. Then as for the start and due dates, you can import as is or remap the dates right here. Let's say I'm going to select a start date today and then set an end date. You can choose whether to skip weekends, import all tasks as open. It's up to you. And lastly, you can also choose whether to include archive tasks. And then after setting all that up, use template. Then we're going to give ClickUp a few minutes to set it up and we should see it right here. So wait for a few minutes and you can see it's already here. And now you can now check this template, which is for your content calendar. So you can see the workflow, a list of all the tasks, your board with open, writing, for approval, for update, scheduled, and even a Gantt chart for the timeline of your activities. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.